Frustrated with the libgcc DW21 DLL pop-up blocking your development runtime software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we begin the walkthrough for libgcc DW21, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the libgcc DW21, a GCC shared library utilizing the dwarf2 exception handling model. It provides unmanaged support for runtime exceptions, facilitating the data link for programs requiring the GCC Runtime Manifest. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. libgcc SDW2.1 belongs to the Windows system core. Running sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt will scan for corruption and replace missing or damaged versions automatically. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with libgcc DW21. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files, like libgcc DW21 DLL. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing libgcc DW21. If you've regained access to libgcc DW21 thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.